Hello, my name's Tracy and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If not, welcome back. Today I am going to do this video all about the knitting machine, and it's going to be about using the Prym knitting machine. What we'll do is we'll make a beanie hat. And I'll take you through each step. It is a really good, easy to use machine, and it just makes knitting so much quicker. So this is the beanie hat we're going to make. As I say, it's nice and quick to make, and it's double thick knitting. You can roll the ends up if you want, or have it down, but it makes a really nice, good quality. This is the wool I'm going to be using today to do this hat. It's a James Brett Stonewash double knit yarn, and it's dye number 104. See, it's a mixture of pretty pink, greens, greys, creams. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're not going to load up a waste yarn, and we're going to just load this one up straight away. Oh, just drop that grey on the floor. Oh, we need it. All right, let me find the end. Right, here we go. There's the end. So let's just turn you around so you can see what I'm doing on the machine. Right, here we go. So what you do is you just lie this on there. So first of all, you've got to bring it round to your black and dark blue needle, which is there. You see that? Now you're just going to put this around it, leave a nice long Let's now you should have let's do around, so do the same thing. Just make sure you have any drop stitches. Now once it's reached the bottom, what you do then is you're just going to start folding it up inside like so, and carry on. So this way it's not all going to get tangled up, and it's going to stay nice and neat. So you just carry on cranking away. Now for this beanie hat, you need to do enough in length so it touches the bottom and it folds back up to here, and then when you've done that much, that is the right length for your hat. So once you've got enough, as you can see, look, touches the bottom and it comes right up and it's level to your pins, then you've done enough. So you go round until you get back to your dark colour. Now you're going to cut off your end for the thread. So what you need to do is take it and wrap it round the machine, say twice, and then you've got a long enough tail for casting off. Now to cast off, you're going to need a yarn.
Are you cooking or not? Are you cooking or not?
Yeah, we're having dinner before we go.
like Monday.
Yeah, I think I do.